Hi everyone. Today we're going to make a ranch dressing mix. This is from our plant-powered mixes. It's real fast and easy to make. That's all you need is a red pepper and celery, stalk of celery, and a little olive oil or avocado oil, any kind of oil, and a little lemon juice and water. And we start with, we usually use about a half a cup of water, but I'd like to just put about half of that in to start with to see if we need it to be that thin. And then put the celery and the red pepper on top of that. And then the oil and the lemon juice. And then I've gone ahead and soaked and sprouted and dehydrated the nuts for you with the spices. That's all in here. So put that on top and blend it up. That's all you have to do. Perfect. And now for the last step, you add a few spices from the second package, and you just very quickly, slowly, at a very low speed, just pulse that in, because you don't want this to be pulverized. You just want to be able to still see it. All right. You can see, you can still see the flecks in there. And that's your ranch dressing. Look at how nice and thick that is. Isn't that beautiful? For more recipes like this one, go to our website and check out our social media channels, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.